Hi, in today's video we'll be going over how you can use Userful Cloud to change presets. In this way it allows you to cycle content without having to manually do it. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to select the blue actions button located right here, then select create events, and then you'll notice this create events dialog. Just simply select new event, choose the event type. In this case we'll just do load preset. Select the preset that you wish to load. In this case, we'll just call it play signage content, and we'll set this to load every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So deselect all the other checkboxes, and then click on the time dialog. In this case, we'll just have this start at 7 a.m. So click save, and then the event will now be saved. This content will load every single morning at 7 a.m. Now if you wish to play some other content, say 8 hours later, just click new event, and then we'll just pick a different event. We'll do load preset, and then we'll just call this view web content. So as before, we'll just do Monday, Tuesday, or we'll do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then we'll just say this will be 3 p.m. Okay, click save. Now it's best that we just give it a name just for clarification's purposes. So we'll call this web, and we'll call the second preset signage. So click save. So now the content will cycle every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it will start at 7 a.m. and then it will play until 3 p.m., in which case it will switch. So that concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.